Hello everyone. Today we are going to show how to display georeference background maps or background imagery in qGis and in Global Mapper. First, let's open your qGis and at the very beginning let's check if the projection is correct. You can have a look at the previous tutorial about projection. You go to setting, you go to option, and you check what kind of projection you have selected. For the projection, you have to know in which area you are going to work. Once you have verified that the projection is correct, you can browse into the browsers. You can see here X, Y, Z tiles. As per default, you have OpenStreetMap, but you can add other type of maps. Let's install the satellite map. You select X, Y, Z and you right click on it. You write new connection. There where you have the name, you have to put the name of the map. And below, you have to put the direction of the map. In the notes, below this YouTube tutorial, you will find the text that you have to paste on this direction. You take the text, you copy it, and you paste it here. And you click OK. The same, you do it for the terrain, for the road map, and for the hybrid. Once you have finished to install all these online maps and imagery, we can have a look how to display it in qGis. First, you navigate to your location, for example, opening a shapefile. Then you click on OpenStreetMap and the background OpenStreetMap will appear. After, you can click to the other maps and all the maps and imagery will appear in your qGis. You have to move the layer in order to keep your IDP camp visible. At this point, you can change the shape of your camp and make it transparent so that you will have your background map in the background. Now that we have seen how to display background map and imagery for qGis, we can have a look for the same process for Global Mapper. First, open your Global Mapper and navigate through a shapefile to your location. Also here, you have to be sure that the projection is correct. In order to check the projection, please have a look to the previous tutorial. Once you have displayed your boundary or your site, you have to click on Connect to Online Data, and under Popular Sources, you will have several options. You will have World Imagery, World Street Map, and World Topo Map. All those are background images that you can display below your site. Thanks a lot for watching and listening to this tutorial.